Shadows twist in the fading light. Bassline growls low through the night. Strings scream sharp like broken glass. Drums pound heavy, a thunder clash. All styles crash in the same fire. One heart beats loud, no desire to tire. Rocking in chaos and grace. In the same breath we all find space. Violins weep with electric cries. Guitars wail truths we can't deny. Piano keys echo deep and raw. Rhythm shakes the ground we saw. Harmonies fight to find their peace. Every sound a storm released. Classical whispers wrapped in the roar. We push the limits, crave for more. All stars crash in the same fire. One heart beats loud, no desire to tire. Rocking lesson, chaos and grace. In the same breath we all find space. Violins weep with electric cries. Guitars wail truths we can't deny. Piano keys echo deep and raw. Rhythm shakes the ground we saw. Harmonies weep with electric cries. One heart beats loud, no desire to tire. Rockin' lesson, chaos and grace. In the same breath we all find space. Grace to strings, all worlds collide. No light on where sounds divide. In the noise we find the art. One song, one voice, one beating heart. Face to strings, all worlds collide. No line drawn where sounds divide. In the noise we find the art. One song, one voice, one beating heart.